Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Nooie Baby Monitor System Wi-Fi Cam 1080p HD. Oh yeah, with motion detection and sound detection, of course. Affordable high-definition cameras to protect everything you care about. And lights off and sleep tight. Powerful infrared lights provides crisp night vision with a range up to 32 feet. Check on your loved ones without waking them up. 32 feet night vision. Awesome. 940 nanometers infrared lights and gamma correction on board. Oh yeah, stay in the know where you go. Whenever the Nooie Cam system detects motion or hears a loud noise, it sends you a notification on your phone. Records all memorable moments you want. Shallow motion detection features needed. Adjust video quality based on network conditions. Share all your moments with your family because you can use this camera system in with your family, for example. And it's your choice what you are going to choose. They provide you with two options to store the videos locally on a micro SD card or in the cloud. But the cloud service will cost a little bit, of course, per month. It is a 360 degrees camera coverage. It keeps up with the action from anywhere. And it looks really nice. It looks like an egg, I think. 94 degrees vertical rotation and 355 horizontal rotation are possible. Protection where you need it, when you need it. The Nooie Cam 360 features automatic motion tracking that keeps up with the action. Or use the app to pan and tilt manually. Either way, you will see everything in the room in stunning high definition. The monitor in 355 horizontally and 94 degrees vertical rotation with a high quality sensor and lens to capture a crystal clear HD 1080p view. Know your family come home immediately, of course. When your family opens the door, you can get the notification when the sound is detected. You can talk to them no matter you are. Because there is a microphone and a speaker on board. Two-way audio. Listen and talk to family or pets directly from your phone anytime, anywhere. This indoor camera built-in microphone and speaker with anti-noise tech. Brilliant in every night. Night vision up to 32 feet. These are 10 meters approximate in pitch black. Monitoring HD 1080p with a high-quality sensor and lens to capture a clear view. And motion detection. Check in your home anytime with 24/7 live streaming. Receive instant app notifications wherever you are when motion or sound is detected. And I used it and I try it every day. It is really, really awesome. But what you need is a wireless local area network in 2.4G. Only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's not support the 5 gigahertz. But it's okay. Every router contains both of them, 2.4 and 5. It's no problem, I think. The Wi-Fi password you have to enter into the app, and then you are able to get in contact with your camera. And it's easy to use and easy to control, and it makes a good condition of quality, and I like it really much, and I will show you now how it works. So the app is for free out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. And then you have to plug in the device. The device will have a function test first, as you can see. And take care, only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. That means your phone has to log into your Wi-Fi and you need the password for it. Now open the app and then use the camera. Then the camera will get you some information, and then the way you're going to do is the Wi-Fi password, less than 31 words, no special characters. That is important. So your Wi-Fi password you have to modify. Then no more than 5 meters from the camera, no wall between the camera and the router. It failing connection, please reset and try again when indicator flash red. For the first connection and Wi-Fi parent, the camera and the phone connect the same 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Then you will get a QR code. And this QR code you have to hold in front of the camera. And after this, the camera will pairs with your Wi-Fi. After this, you can get into your camera. Here you can see we are in. Now it gives some information about how to use the camera. You can use it by your fingers. You can use the right and the left side, up and down. Yeah, because this camera is able to rotate horizontally and vertically. Solid light. The device is powered on and initializing. Flashing red light, the device is ready to connect. Flashing between white and red light, the Wi-Fi account or password is wrong. Please reconnect. Flashing white light, the connection is in progress. And solid white light, the device is working properly. Like here. Then you have a noise app control. It records all the memorable moments you want. Shuttle motion detection features as needed. Adjust video quality based on network conditions. Choose to turn off the status light so as not to affect sleep. It provides user manual, facts, and more helping the app or fast support. And it is easy and it has good quality, as you can see here. Now let's do a test for it, because you can detect the person and then the cam can follow this person, this movement on the screen. On the left side you can see there is no movement control on. On the right side there it is on. This will detect the person and then it will follow the person until it is out of range. Here you can see it works. Nice. I like it. Okay, let's do the next thing. The left side we will show the night vision. The night vision will start automatically if it is dark, like now. And then it switched to the night vision. Here it is. Boah, awesome night vision. Yeah, you can see all details on the person and in or on the walls, etc. Nice. Then you can go and make a plan when the device will take shots, take camera shots and videos for you. You can use the camera instead of taking some shots and camera videos as well. That means you have so many different types of settings with the app and the device. And it's easy to use, and it is a nice and good quality product. And it works, as you can see. It will follow your motion because of the motion detection, and the night vision I like so much. And it will come automatically off if the light switches on, as you can see. Boah, awesome, really awesome. And it's easy to use, easy to handle, and it will make joy if you can communicate with the person on the other side. Really nice. So I will use it every day now. And here are some shots and some pictures. Here you can see the person is heading by. Nice quality. And on the left side, upper left side, you can see the date, the time as well. So that it is. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. And there's more. If you see some detection of movement, the cam will get you information on your phone notification, or it will give you a notification on your Apple Watch, as you can see. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel.
Gute Qualität.
Nice device.
Bitte abonniert. Gebt mir positives Feedback und bis zum nächsten Mal.
Yeah.
So.